sure.
No, I'm going to choose it.
No, you little small.
Don't know what I'm going to do.
will.
Be choosing
I
names.
will. I'm
Yes,
the
I know.
DD.
Silence. Toby is being picked today. You, all engines are being stupid idiots. Bye. Bye-bye. Come on, Henrietta. Okay. No, Toby's been now. I don't know. Hello there, I'm Toby. Well, I'm top on hats. Is it electric? I think you've offended him. No, but it's, I'm sorry, Toby. Goodbye, Toby. Goodbye, Toby. Good boy, express coaches. And this is the beautiful countryside of East Anglia. We're moving to the station. There you go, Seth. My engines, I know the Great Southern Railway has been awfully close to our railway. So, what's where railway can't do this? What? No. Toby, we've got a letter from the gentleman. Read it. Dear Toby, would you and Henrietta like to join in office? Oh yes, please, let's go. That's a story for another day.